Hello everybody, this is Roji from JK. Welcome on my channel. Today we are going to fix our garage door open if it open by itself. Like in my case, I closed my garage for sure. I was a member, I closed, and suddenly when I came in, my garage door was open. Anytime we go to sleep at night or in morning, it opened by itself. So this will happen if you have a recently programmed your remote, whether your garage door or program your keypad or anything. Like, so basically what happened, we have to clear all the codes from garage. When I was programming, I believe it took me about like 2-3 minutes to program, and when I pressed the learn button and maybe my neighbor or somebody pressed their garage door opener remote button and it got programmed. So that's the way when I was really surprised why my garage door is open, and I was in my garage and I see when my neighbor came in and he opened his garage and my garage opened. So now we have to clear all the codes. You can fix really cheap, simple. So what basically we have to do, any opener you have like motor behind it. In my case, I have this red learning button. You have a yellow or anything, you have to press and hold for like 8 to 15 seconds. It will clear all the codes and your issue will be fixed. Really easy, you don't have to do nothing. Just simply clear all the code and your garage will start open by itself. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you next video with a new topic.